Now, rule number 4. In rule number 4, if there is if the noun ends with y, if the singular noun ends with y, and if there is a consonant letter before y, before y. How will you make plural noun? By adding plural noun by adding ies to the singular noun. Okay. Hey, consonant letter consonant letter consonant letter how to alphabet A to Z are A, E, I, O, U vowels below. So khania. Heta ashil se utu rule number 4 amin shil tu noun khain enanga city kanjaka. If the noun ends with y, y noun ka y na ron to ba. If the noun ends with y and if there is a consonant letter before y ma akan consonant letter khan drop y and add ies to the singular noun. Y ma consonant letter khan y kan payanga ies kan belanga, then it will become plural noun. Let's try it. CIT y ka drop to na sa sokada. It will become cities. Cities. Okay. Now another example. Lady. Oh, nula, tinanya. Now let's see. There is the noun ends with y and there is a consonant letter before y, right? D is a consonant letter. How will I make plural noun? By using rule number 4. Drop y payanga, and add ies to the singular noun and it will become ladies. Ladies. Okay. Now, these are rule number 4. Now let's move on to rule number 5. Now, in rule number 5, again, if the noun ends with y, if the nouns end with y, and if there is a vowel letter before y, how will you make plural? You can make plural just by adding s. Just by adding s to the singular noun. Let me write one singular noun, monkey. Here. Singular noun y ma akan vowel you don't have to drop anything. Okay? You can make plural noun just by adding s to the singular noun. That will become monkeys. Here. Monkeys. Why? Because there is a vowel letter before y. Alright? Now, another example. T-O-Y, toy. Now, let's see. It ends with y and there is a vowel letter before y. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U, right? There is a vowel letter before y. So you can make plural noun by adding s to the singular noun like this. Toy, toys. Now this is rule number 5. Now let's move on to rule number 6. This is the last rules in making plural forms. in rule number 6, if the noun ends with F or FE, drop F or FE and add. Ini kan bilang VES ang betong todo ni. O VES ang betong todo. Singular noun ka ini nga singular noun ka F or FE a spelling dot chen ni chuan F or FE FMO FEMO ka in pa nga this one VES in betong ni. O ano unde bin no en ya. Ang sabira chuanin for example wife 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 numui inania a spelling hi FE in a topa. This is singular numui pakhat inania. If you want to make plural noun of wife, then you have to drop FE and add VES, then it will become WIVES wives. I should have FE ka in pa nga VES ka in with tundo dinamit. Oh, this one example lang kasi ang wolf. WOLF wolf. Tingnan. Spelling ni ano ulit? L na to. Pero, singular noun F na to. Since you more than one plural kan siyang doon ha. F kan pa yung drop F and add VES. Then it will become wolves. WOLVES wolves. This one is rule number 6. Now, after this, turn to page, open your grammar textbook, turn to page number 27 and 28. Till 29, it was the examples and the rules are written in your textbook clearly. You have to read them at least 3 times. Okay? Now, besides rule number 1 to 6, there are some nouns which do not follow the rules. Rules paru follow the noun ni an omani. So how to? It is written there on page 29. Page 29 na hani inziaka rules pang de law how ka irregular noun te antia at su tizong kan ship ya ni law ma na swan su the su mouse dite more mouse is singular. Plural of mouse is mice. Foot, feet, then tooth. Plural of tooth is teeth. They do not follow the rules. They do not follow the rules. You have to learn them by heart. Okay? In textbook na oma ilaw zero nga ilaw by heart ang na pinatiyang so in heta kalong siya siyang lenzeo. These are all very important. This one in hemi lawahian. Another more is some nouns the spellings are similar in singular and plural noun. Like deal. The plural of deal is deal. Then plural of sheep is sheep. Textbook ka ng siya mo la pahit so kasi ako na wala so noun chen katetsu ang singular le plural form ka ay inaman niya. Okay, kamaw ka kan siya tende ngayon na so in textbook kami ka inaw by heart. That is one of your assignments. Okay, but all the rules rule number 1 to 6 do not learn by heart the examples. You have to know the rules. If necessary, you have to learn by heart the rules clearly. Alright? That will help you to do if your teacher gives you any singular noun, you will be able to write the plural forms. Okay? Thank you. Okay, class 3 students, let us have a look. Let us have a look at the exercises. Exercise A, by using the rules, rule number 1 to 6, and the nouns which do not follow the rules. Okay, you have to do this exercise. glass, wife, child, knife, army, lady, baby, wolf, thief, and goose here in your textbook. Textbook ahian hemi exercise in lau tianga rules mam khan mo this one in sentence le proper noun an ni law wangin small letter in non chanang small letter in ja chan tur nia fia fel pai takin in non ja kang. Okay, this one in after that exercise b ya kan kalanga change the nouns in italics into the plural forms of the following sentences. Tahian in sentence in enanga hey red color anda b khi opposite forms in non thak no ni plural in non thak no ni. Remember the rules. Okay, rules kha ngai to ro or rules kha in ngai to ang chuan in ti dan tu chu heta hian thief le policeman ringot thiron thak lovin full sentence in non ja kang the in tianga what is the plural of thief. You have to, if the nouns end with f, drop f and add ves. That will become thieves. The thieves in tianga angay nin laphenga ran away after seeing the policeman. What is the plural of policeman? Man is singular. Then men. It will become men. Policemen. This one kami ka in zia zwa khan in thak na plural how zong kha hi thei ni lau tur for na changa check ani china wangin mo fia takin in thak na answer kha kan en zung zung thei nan ti hian in non underline ang hi thei ni lau tur thei ni mia lau tur class a ko ka shil chin cheu kha if you do not underline the answer then you will not get full mark ka ti shin kha film kur zero na vekani. This one line kata hian zialan nge to those who have big handwriting also you have to you need to adjust your handwriting so that it can fit in one line. Alright, now number 2 what's one tu na kati ang hian kau hi a plural in non thak nga curve nen tiang khan full sentence in ron zia in thak na plural noun kha ron underline thap tur scale in fia takin chu chu in ron tivek don ya. Then let's move on to exercise C. Change the nouns in these sentences into the singular forms. Heta ve thung chuan a chen hi singular anianga a chen hi plural ani don ani. Film kur takin in ron tianga ti chuan in sorry ta hianin plural vek an non pe thau chewa ka sui swan ani kha ti chuan in maro chu I hei lo zia sa ron thak sak cheu ka nei hi chu ti hian in ron ziak mai anga mo chuan an non underline lawa in underline chop ve thungang in ti ma in ka underline ho hi lo underline ve ru hemi underline zong hi singular ka sui swan na chin khan exercise C ka sui chaleng Okay, let's move on to exercise C. Change the nouns in these sentences into the singular forms. Heta hi chuan in plural a vek an ron daw ve le thunga singular noun na I thak ve le thung don ani. Ti chuan in a thak tur noun na kha an ron underline lawa a ol samjok nan ka ron underline sak chewa mo singular a thak tur ho kha noun ho kha ti chuan in lo underline masa anga chumi zawa chuan in start ang answer kha. This one D is what is the singular of armies? Heta in exchange zong chia khan IES ipayanga then you have to add Y army. Armies singular noun to army. Turo the army work are leaving the countries. What is the singular of countries? Hey IES anya IES hi ipayanga enge idaang le Y country. This is the singular noun of countries. Okay, now you have to read the questions. What did the question ask you to do? Okay, carefully. Okay, thank you class.